Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the PC so the repair can run cleanly. Close the Riot client and kill Riot * and League client. Exe in Task Manager because leftover processes lock files. Once done, disable VPN, proxy, and overlays. These interfere with updates. Make sure you run the client as administrator so files can be written. Then flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons to remove stale routing. This avoids server handshake errors. These first steps reduce variables before you start the actual repair. Now you perform the core repair actions that fix corrupted files and dependencies. Use the Hextech repair tool or the client's built-in repair function to validate and replace missing files. This handles most checksum errors. If problems persist, delete lock file, league logs, and the config folder. Back them up first, because corrupted settings can block startup. Also reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and update GPU drivers, since rendering or runtime failures often appear as client crashes. Once these run, finish by ensuring the environment is clean and persistent issues are exposed. If repair still fails, uninstall the Riot client, remove remaining Riot Games folders, and perform a fresh install so corrupted installers don't persist. Make firewall and antivirus exceptions for Riot client services. Exe and League client. Exe to prevent blocking. Then perform a clean boot to strip background interference and test the client. If problems continue, collect Riot client logs and submit them with a brief description to support. This single troubleshooting tip speeds diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.